So types of adsorption. Adsorption can be classified into two types. One is physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Physical adsorption, it is due to the weak van der Waals force. Van der Waals force in chemistry, it is a weak force. So in physical adsorption, that binding of the adsorbate into the adsorbent will be very weak. For example, we can say hydrogen and nitrogen gases adsorb on the charcoal material. In chemical adsorption, we can also call it as chemisorption. It is due to a strong chemical forces of bonding, such as covalent bonding. Covalent bonding is known as one of the strong bonding in chemistry. So in chemical adsorption, the binding will be very tight between the adsorbate and the adsorbent. For example, formation of iron nitride on the surface when iron is heated in nitrogen gas. It will be completely absorbed and we cannot separate it easily. What are all the factors affected by physical adsorption and chemical adsorption? Physical adsorption will be caused by intermolecular forces between the atoms or molecules. But chemical adsorption is caused by chemical bond formation. In physical adsorption, the heat of adsorption is very small. Even it can be negligible at some times. In chemical adsorption, the heat of adsorption is very large. Chemical adsorption decreases with increase in temperature. But here in chemical adsorption, increases with increase in temperature. Similarly, in physical adsorption, pressure will be increased with increase, which will increase the physical adsorption. In chemical adsorption, the pressure will not have any effect. Only in physical adsorption, the pressure will be having some effect. These you have to listen all these things carefully because these are all the things you will be questioned in your exams. And also physical adsorption involves a multimolecular layer, but chemical adsorption involves only unimolecular layer. There are some of the factors which will affect the adsorption phenomenon. They are temperature, pressure, surface area, activation of solid adsorbent, agitation, pH, characteristics of adsorbent, and the quantity of adsorbate and adsorbent. These are all some of the factors which affects adsorption phenomenon. And here I have provided examples for adsorbent. This is a alumina cream, which we can call it as alumina also. This was used as a good adsorbent. This fuller's earth and kaolin, they are all clay material. Kaolin, this is otherwise we can call it as China clay, which we are used to make China clay material. This is activated charcoal. These are all some of the examples of adsorbents.